If anything's an overkill, then it's definitely this item. In the jungle, the mighty jungle. I'd rather just hide them under my bed and pretend they're not there, just like I do with all my problems. Hi guys! You're probably wondering as to why I'm sitting on the floor and not in my usual space, and that is because today I have a very exciting video for you all. So this is going to be a giant, and when I mean giant, I mean like humongous university hall. I will be living in halls, so that means my lifestyle and all of my needs are going to be changing. I live in one bedroom here in my house at home, and I don't have a bathroom or a kitchen, so I needed to buy things that I need for those rooms. So when I go to uni in September, I should be having an ensuite bathroom, kitchen stuff for the shared kitchen, and obviously the room. I've had to get myself together here and get some things. Obviously a bit worried because I don't think I can adult yet, but I'm gonna have to adult, aren't I? I'm going to be showing you the things I've got in sections, so I'm going to start with the bedroom stuff, of course, then kitchen stuff, which is a big section, and then bathroom stuff, which is the smaller section. Let's get into it! Get comfortable. Right, so the first thing I'm going to start with is cushions, because I personally get really excited about this. We have a lovely pink cushion. It's really soft. I got this from Dunelm along with another one because I want it to be really comfortable. I don't want it to be one of those beds where you feel like you're laying on like cardboard. I'm excited for these. And then I'm planning to layer them with other cushions. So I thought to break up all the pink, because you know what I'm like with pink, I thought I'd get like these cream ones. The pillows were actually bought separately to the pillowcases with these, because I went to Ikea and I got the pillows for £3 and then the pillowcases on Amazon. I love the bubble detailing. I think it's so cute, and I feel like it's going to look really cute with the other two sets of pillows, which I'll be showing you the next one now. I think these are like my all-time favourite pillows ever. They are these gorgeous faux fur, really thick plump pillows. I got them from the range and they're just so comfortable. I could literally like eat this for breakfast, I'm not gonna lie. I got two of those as well because I'm a bit of a cushion hoarder. I kid you not, they are now stacked up next to me like the same height as me. So of course, being any kind of student that can't really put things on the walls, command hooks. I've got like the small fairy light ones, the bigger ones for hanging like decoration, and some used ones that I already had. So I think 3 packs might be enough. Then I got this sellotape dispenser from Tesco. Everyone said that was necessary, apparently, sellotape. I don't really know what for, I can't think off the top of my head, but we have sellotape. Then I have some blue tack, but it's actually the white version because apparently they don't like blue tack, which is so odd. Maybe it's because it leaves like a residue or something on the walls, but white tack. And then I got some storagey things. I don't know if I'm gonna put like pens in them or like, I don't know, bits and bobs like paper clips or stationery stuff. Yeah, they were very nice. And they were on offer at the time I got them from Dunelm for 85p each. Then this is a super cute little fake flower vase thing, and I got that from Dunelm as well. It's just a nice bit of decor. And then I got 2 more storagey things. These are like sort of pen holdery plant pot things. In the jungle, the mighty jungle. So I succumbed to trends. These 2 Ikea hanging plants I've literally seen all over the web lately. It's actually like one of those makeup holdery pot things, but they've changed the design on it, and then it's got like the actual plant, which I bought the white bit and then put them in because I thought they looked so much nicer with a white pot. And they're fake, so I can't kill them. I want to add a bit of life to my room, a little bit of zest, you know? I don't want it to just be like plain white box. And then for more decor, I bought these. I haven't actually got that much for decor. I mean, most of the stuff I'm gonna use is stuff that I'm gonna take with me from my own room already. So then I got this binder. It's just a pucker one. It's upside down. And I just got a white lines notepad because I think they're literally so good for handwriting and note taking. And I also got a very cheap uni pad because it's just for like quick note taking. I also got this organizer, which is like a kind of planner. It's like a diary. It's like all of those things in one. That's probably going to keep me organised because my pea brain really could never. Now I'm actually unsure as to what size my bed's going to be, so I haven't actually got like a duvet yet. I think I might just take my double one, even if it's a single, because I want loads of space to just have it wrapped around me in the winter. But anyway, I got 2 sets of pillowcases from Ikea, one pink, one white, because what other colours would they be? And then for my wardrobe I bought this from Ikea. It's like it's called Stuck. which is quite humorous. And it's just one of those like storage caddy things, and you can put like shoes in it or hats, and it just gives you more space, I guess. I also got 2 of these. The other one actually has stuff in it already at the moment, and that is all uni stuff as well that I'll be showing you later on. They are the 45 litre Wham ones. I thought these would be good for underbed storage, so everything's tucked out the way and sort of organised, and I don't have to have bits laying about. I'd rather just hide them under my bed and pretend they're not there, just like I do with all my problems. Right, so now on to kitchen stuff. And when I said this was the biggest section, I don't even think there's a word in the dictionary to tell you how much stuff I bought for kitchen. I don't really know where to start. There is 2 huge Ikea bags and 1 box of stuff. To be honest, I feel like I have more stuff in these containers than Jamie Oliver will have in his whole damn kitchen. If anything's an overkill, then it's definitely this item. I bought a knife set, but they're really big. I bought these knives that are bigger than my head because I thought they'd be like good for cutting up like broccoli and carrots and like healthy stuff, which the first 2, the small ones at the beginning will, but the other ones are like butcher's knives, and I'm not sure why I would need them. So I have a feeling I'm going to leave the 3 big ones at home, because to be honest I'm going to be a bit worried having those anywhere near me. Don't do the knife thing, not unless you're a psychopath or a murderer. Okay, so the next thing is super exciting, but probably another overkill, I guess. Who would I be if I didn't overkill everything? I just want to be me.
I just want to be me.
Okay, so I got this off of Amazon. It's a bowl set. Okay, so it looks like this. You've got little measuring things so you can like measure specific amounts. There's quite a few. And then you have like a draining thing. I don't know what the official term for that is. Have a nice sieve. This drainery thing, which is probably the most handy thing in here. And then a giant salad bowl. And then I bought myself a water bottle because I have water bottles, but they're all like dented or like scraped or general wear and tear. I feel like a Gumtree seller. I got this basic cutlery set. I think it's so cute, and it was only £5 from Dunelm. I got a Dishomatic because I actually use this at home, so I thought I'd buy a fresh one. I rate it, and it's long to get into like glasses and stuff because sometimes your hand's like too big. It's like that Pringles can thing when you're trying to get the last Pringle at the bottom and you're like... So I got this cute pink mug. I got 2 of these because I'm not really gonna have 4 on the go. I only need like 2. Yeah, it's just this super cute wobbly kind of design. I bought 4 of these. They were £1 each from Dunelm. They're just adorable. Like, they've got little pink spots on them. I got myself one of these clear Pyrex bowls for making like frozen peas in the microwave and stuff like that, and I just find they're really handy. And this was from the range. It was relatively cheap for Pyrex because I always thought Pyrex was really expensive, but it wasn't too bad. Then I got 2 of these pink bowls. They were £1.75 each, which I just think is so cheap, and it was from Dunelm, by the way. Then I got 2 side plates. Yeah, they were £1.50 each. Everything's pink that I bought, but I just love it. It smells like warehouse. And then I got 2 of the larger plates. It was only £2 each from the same set. So that's all my like platey cutlery stuff. I got this set off of Amazon as well. It's like one of those all you need utensil sets. So you've got this like pot thing. Guys, I apologise in advance for the rattling in the next few clips. Like genuinely, I'm editing it back now and it's so annoying. It's getting on my nerves. I would strongly recommend maybe turning the sound down if you're wearing headphones, because that is gonna crisp right through your brain. One of these spoony things, some tongs, like a spaghetti thing, one of those oil, like, I call them paintbrush hair men. A spatula with holes in it, an actual spatula, a spoon with holes in it, a ladle, a really dense grabby spoon. You can tell I'm so professional with kitchenware. A less dense holy spoon thing, and a whisk, and they all fit in there. They're adorable. Then I got a noodle bowl because I have a feeling I'm going to be making like spaghetti bolognese like pretty much twice a week. The main aim of me doing that is to like have it as lunch the next day or like breakfast the next day, because who has rules on breakfast that you can't eat main meals for breakfast? I mean, I do it all the time. That's for reheating, and it's got a little microwave thing so you can put it in the microwave. I got a chopping board from Ikea. It's just like a plain basic. Then I got a large airtight container, and then I got 2 smaller ones, 2 even smaller ones. I was very excited to get this. It's a cheese grater with a container on it so you can catch all the cheese and whatever it is that you've grated, and then put it into the fridge. And it's got a little lid as well for the container on the end, and you don't have to get it everywhere, you don't have to have any mess. It's literally a genius idea. I don't know why they don't do this as standard. I got a stainless steel baking tray. I got a tin opener from Ikea, just a basic one. I got a saucepan with a lid. I got 2 frying pans from Ikea. You actually build the second one. Never had to build a frying pan before, so that's going to be a new task. It'll probably be like frying bacon, and just be like, hit the ceiling and dent it or something. I also got a padlock for my kitchen cupboard because you're actually meant to provide your own padlock. Then I got a set of tea towels from Dunelm. They were £6 and they have really cute little hummingbirds on them. And I also got the matching set of oven gloves, which were also £6, and they are really thick, and I love the fact that they match my tea towels. Okay, so the final category is bathroom stuff. I actually went to Primark the other day and I saw they had these makeup cleansing cloths. These ones are like flannel type ones, but I also got another pack of mitt ones like this, and I thought I'd save one for uni, and then I'm using one currently right now. And honestly, you literally just add water onto it, or like micellar water, or like whatever makeup remover you have, but you can just use water, and literally it just gets rid of your makeup so well. Like the mascara just melts off your face. Sometimes, I don't know if you've ever found this, like if you're removing mascara without some kind of cloth, like it will still have a residue of some sort left on your eyelashes. So say you have a shower after you've taken your makeup off, it will like still be there, and it will like transfer under your eyes and stuff, and it's just so annoying. So yeah, I honestly am in love with these. They're so good, and they were literally £2.50 for the pack of these, and then £2.50 for the mitts as well. I was really happy about those, and they are literally so soft as well. I got these hooks for the back of my door because I know that obviously I won't be able to have like a towel rail or anything like that, so I thought it would be best to just put them on the back of the door. Then 4 towels, speak of the devil, went to Ikea and I got this pink bath sheet, and I love the way they wrap them up because they're just so portable. Then I got a regular bath towel, which is the slightly smaller one. I also got a hand towel, and then a pack of 4 flannels to match as well. I also went to Dunelm again because I've been like 3 times, and I got another bath towel just as like an extra, so when I'm washing the other ones then these ones can be used. And then I also got a hand towel in the same colour, and I am planning to get a bath sheet as well at some point, like another huge one, because then that just kind of rounds it off and completes it, and that's all the towels done. And then the final thing is this super cute pink bath mat, and it's not too big either because I know obviously it's going to be tiny, so it will fit really nicely and match all the rest of the stuff. All in all, I'm really happy with all the stuff that I've got, and I feel like if you invest in some good quality stuff, you can always take it on with you, like when you move out and stuff, when you get your own property. So that was kind of the purpose of me getting nice stuff. I really hope this video helped some of you out if you are looking to get some inspiration, or you're looking for some ideas, or you need like a checklist of stuff. Some of this stuff isn't necessary, so do not by any means think that you'd be failing yourself if you don't get all this stuff. I certainly know that I absolutely have loved filming this video, looking back at the stuff that I'm going to be taking with me. So if you've liked it too, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me to see more from me, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. I hope you have a lovely day, stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye!